I'm a buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking the yams. Spent the whole summer trapping.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sincerely.Cia. My real name is Tricia. And today I'll be reviewing an Aliexpress vendor, hair vendor, by the name of Beaudiva, I believe. So I ordered here on AliExpress. I ordered a 12, I believe it's 3 12 inches. Yeah, so 3 12 inches and 12-inch closure, 4x4 closure. The customer, first I want to start with the customer service was great. You know, the vendor kept in contact with me throughout the whole time. You know, they told me when my package got delivered. They told me when the package was shipped, when the package was on their way, and you know, great customer service. So I'm just gonna show you guys the hair. This is my second time ordering from this same vendor, and yeah. So this wig behind me was the first time that I ordered from this vendor. I made it into a wig. This was 3 bundles, I believe, 22, 20, and 18. And I don't remember the length of the closure. So this was I believe body wave, and yeah. So I ordered the same hair, the same body wave, because I loved it. It was full, and I feel like I love that fullness of the body wave hair. So this time, this is how the closure looks. As you can see, the closure comes with baby hair. I don't think that's the right way. The closure comes with baby hair, really nice. Pre-plucked baby hair, pre-plucked closure. This is a free part closure. The hair is really soft. I don't feel any shedding, just a little. Well, with any hair you'll find shedding, duh. Like, if the hair is not shedding, then is it really hair? I don't know. Okay, so yeah, so the hair is really nice. I like this wave to it. I will be dyeing this hair in my next video to a surprise color. You guys will see it when it comes out. So yeah, I really like this free part. I always get free parts because I don't like the straightness of the middle part closures. So I always get the free parts so I can make my own middle part and pluck the middle part, as well as some of the baby hairs. This is how it looks. I normally always bleach my closures, but this is how it looks. Pretty nice. The hair is soft, the hair flows. So now I'm going to show you guys the bundles that I got. Well, actually one bundle, since it's only it's all the same length. So the bundle comes like this. It comes in a little mesh, like all hair does. They put it in a mesh. You just take off the mesh. So you're gonna cut, yeah, the mesh is annoying to me. I'm gonna cut this rope, whatever you want to call this, I don't know. You're just gonna cut this off, or you can unravel it, whatever. And then you're gonna take the mesh off. This is the mesh, this is the hair. And I'm not gonna take the rubber band off because then it's just gonna be difficult for me to keep it all together. So this is the curl. This is loose wave, I believe. Body wave. I've been saying loose wave this whole time. Body wave, guys, body wave. So this is the curl of the body wave. A really defined curl, you know, pretty nice. Over time the curls do drop. This little wave, it does drop, and I normally don't care for the dropping of the wave, because I normally just take my curling wand and curl the hair. Solves the problem. Curls last for about 4 days. When it rains, the curls drop, so I would suggest hairspray. But other than that, if it's like hot weather, spring weather, the curls will keep for the whole day with no product in it. I normally don't put product in the hair. I keep it this way because I do want to reduce shedding, and I do want to reduce trying to comb out the hair. Another thing is that the hair does tangle. It doesn't tangle as much, but like I said, with any hair, it will shed and it will tangle if you manipulate the hair too much out. We're just gonna comb through it. The bundles don't really have shedding. Not much. So this is the bundle. A lot of body, a lot of movement. It's pretty good. So yeah, this is the 12. So on me, if I was to put the hair like this, it would stretch till here, and then it will bounce back up to hair. Pretty nice. Another thing that I want to say about this vendor, so this is the brand. Oh, these are Brazilian bundles. They're Brazilian bundles. Another thing that came in the packaging were 2 lashes. 2 sets of lashes. I don't wear lashes because I feel like because I wear glasses, they won't really look good. These lashes do look cheap. So that's another reason why I won't be wearing them. This one looks pretty okay. You can probably try to pull it off, but I think not. This one is a little too thick and they look a little too ugly. But overall, this vendor customer service was great. The hair came in about 2 to 3 days. Yeah, 2 to 3 business days. So yeah, that's all I could say about the hair. I will come back when I am ready to dye the hair so I can show you guys how it takes bleaching and dye. So yeah, see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.
I'm a buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking her yams. Spent the whole summer trapping.